our clients choose Meal Prep Sunday for a variety of reasons. We have some clients who have new fitness goals they want to reach and need a diet to make that possible. Others enjoy the time and money they save by not having to cook, clean, or eat out all the time. Then we have clients who simply want to eat fresh, healthy meals that will improve their overall wellness. Throughout the week, when we are preparing our meals, we keep our clients' individual goals in mind to ensure we are assisting them in any way we can. In this video, we want to talk about the process of creating your Ancho Diced Steak dish and how that process always keeps clients' goals in mind. The dish consists of corn, zucchini, broccoli, peppers, matcha, our homemade cilantro crema, and our cilantro scallion rice. On Tuesday, we mainly focus on creating the marination for our diced steak and our sauces. First is our chipotle lime marinade. This marinade consists of our canned chipotle chilies, light chili powder, lime juice, cilantro, cumin, coriander, brown sugar, salt, and orange juice. We blend these ingredients until they are smooth. Next, we move on to creating our homemade cilantro crema sauce. This sauce includes sour cream, cilantro, jalapeno, lime juice, lemon juice, yogurt, cumin, and coriander. This also is blended until smooth. Lastly is our spicy salsa matcha. This is a combination of ancho chilies, guajillo chilies, arbol chilies, peanuts, garlic, sesame, solid oil, apple cider vinegar, dried oregano, and salt. Rather than mixing these into a smooth sauce, they're made into a paste and stored until we introduce it to the skillet. When starting a new diet, the hardest part is consistency because the foods can get boring. We combine these bold sauces and marinations so that we can deliver a meal that is packed with flavor and exciting to eat, all while keeping our clients on track to their goals.
On Wednesday, we will focus on prepping our cilantro scallion rice and cooking our ancho steak vegetable skillet. First, we prep our cilantro scallion rice, which includes salt and pepper, onion, oil, white rice, and chicken stock. We then put it in the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes to cook so it is ready to be plated. We then finish the day by cooking our ancho steak vegetable skillet. To begin, we cook our peppers, then add broccoli, seasoned for taste, zucchini, corn, and matcha. All the ingredients in this specific meal have been planned to provide the most flavor when reheating. Since we understand that you have a busy lifestyle, we design our service around you, the client. Everything from delivering our products in a thermal insulated bag with our custom ice packs to delivering on your preferred day of delivery, our goal is to save you time and take care of your shopping, cooking, cleaning, all while saving you money and helping our planet use a healthier cycle of eating.
Thursday, we start with a state-of-the-art grill that will allow us to cook our steak to its juiciest form. First, we will season it for taste. Then, we will cook our steak to 145 degrees for optimal consistency. After grilling, we then start dicing our steak. Once diced, we glaze the steak with our ancho sauce made from scratch, making sure by the time our clients receive the meals, they'll have an amazing experience eating this juicy, delicious steak. Every step in our process provides your body with the necessary nutrients to allow it to perform at its best. We buy the proper ingredients and source them from local and high-quality facilities and design our meals thinking about every detail, even micronutrients, and to make your gut, skin, and hair healthier than ever.
On Friday, we focus on plating and packaging our Ancho Diced Steak dish. We start the plating of the dish with our homemade cilantro crema sauce. We then add a cilantro scallion rice, then the diced steak. Fourth is the skillet vegetables, and finish it off with our lime garnish. During the plating, we have different amount of protein and carbohydrates per plate to be able to serve you the right amount of portions according to your goal. Proper portioning based on specific goals is 80% of the reason that our clients achieve their fitness results. We have developed an advanced algorithm on our website to calculate the exact amount of macronutrients that our clients will need to consume to achieve their goals. We portion that meals based on that data, fully prepare the meals, and send them to the clients, whether the goal is fitness-based or for clients who wants to consume the proper amount of nutrition to live a productive and healthy life. On top of that, we provide our 90-day training plan to sync with our meals. This provides you with all the tools you need to get the results you are aiming for. After every batch is plated, we'll seal the meals using our advanced packing technology equipment, which allows us to decrease the oxygen inside the container down to 1% and slow down the oxidation process drastically. We strongly recommend the meals to be consumed within 5 to 7 days of delivery, but because of the technology's ability to reduce the oxygens in the container, the meals are able to last up to 12 days. Lastly, we are the clients ourselves and we understand that the freshness of the products after days of delivery will play a major factor in the flavor and nutrients inside the meals. For that reason, we have done research to find the perfect packaging technology to be able to provide the fresh texture and nutrients to our clients. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you in the next video.